I learned this when I traveled to Italy and had the best chicken of my life. I'm going to start by cutting a chicken breast in half. I bet you'll find this super easy to make. After cutting it, I'll cover it with plastic wrap and pound it well with a kitchen mallet. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Michael Brooks from Austin, Texas. I'm really happy you're enjoying our recipes. Alright, this is perfect. Now I'm going to add wheat flour here in this bowl. You can coat the chicken breast in it. Make sure every side is well covered. It's one of those recipes you try once and never forget. Look how it turns out. In this other bowl, I'll add 2 eggs. And I'll also add 3 cloves of garlic. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and parsley to taste. I'll add half a cup of grated Parmesan. Now I'll mix everything until it's well combined, no rush. This is the perfect recipe for when you want something quick and delicious. There's no secret, just follow the steps. Now you can dip the chicken in here. Besides being delicious, it looks amazing too. This recipe looks beautiful on the table, perfect for surprising guests. I'm going to fry it in a pan with oil. Once it gets a nice golden color, you can flip it to fry the other side. In just a few minutes, you have an incredible meal ready. It's the kind of recipe that saves your day when things get busy. I'll add 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 3 more cloves of garlic, and a bit of parsley. Then 1 tablespoon of butter. You can mix everything slowly. This recipe is exclusive and made for people who love practicality without giving up flavor. It's the kind of dish that turns a simple meal into something unforgettable. I'm going to squeeze half a lime in. I made this yesterday for my friends, and they loved it so much they begged me to come here and teach it to you. Keep mixing. Besides the amazing taste, the final look is wonderful. I'm sure you'll impress everyone at home. Now I can dip the chicken in again. These ingredients together create an explosion of flavor. When you make it, send me a picture. I'd love to see how it turned out. Alright, now I'll place it on a plate. You can spoon some of the mixture over the top. Look how beautiful it is. Exactly how I wanted it. The soft texture is the highlight. Try it at home and tell me how it went. Remember, these exclusive tips you only get here with me. If you're enjoying this, keep an eye on the next videos. The prep is simple, but the result is worthy of a chef. You don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to make an incredible dish. This secret recipe is 79 years old, and I'm about to reveal it now. To start our recipe, let's add half a cup of olive oil to a pan. We also add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let's melt the butter and fry it really well in this delicious oil. Next, we add 3 cloves of garlic, and right after that, I place 3 chicken breasts with shallow cuts. After a few minutes searing those breasts well, we flip them to make sure they get evenly golden on both sides. Now let's set the chicken breasts aside. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Cameron Hayes from Glendale, Arizona. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. I'm going to mash those cloves of garlic to bring out that amazing flavor. Now we add half an onion, finely chopped into small cubes. Let's saute everything really well. Then we add half a cup of chicken broth. We mix everything thoroughly, and now I add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Let's stir it all together. Then we add 1 cup of heavy cream. Let's cook all those ingredients very well. Now I add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and stir everything again. I'm going to let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, for a delicious citrus flavor, I squeeze in 1 lime. I also add parsley to taste. This recipe has 79 years of history, and when I learned it, it was just out of curiosity. I tried it once without expecting much, and I've been making it ever since. The smell fills the kitchen, and the look is amazing. It works because it's simple, straightforward, and made to win people over on the first try. Let's let that cook for about 15 minutes. This preparation became a part of my routine from the first time I made it. No effort, no secrets, just followed the steps calmly and let things happen. The aroma filled the kitchen, and when I served it, the look was so impressive even the quiet ones had something to say. There's something about this combo that just works. It doesn't require much, but delivers like it does. That's why I keep making it. It's practical, direct, and always hits the mark. Try it and let me know how it goes. I love recipes like this, simple to prepare, but with that little twist that surprises everyone who tastes it.
Attention! Don't fry chicken in oil anymore. Secret to frying in water. In a pot with hot water, let's put 1 kilo of chicken leg. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let's mix with a spatula and combine all the seasonings really well. Then cover and let cook for 15 minutes. I'm sure this recipe will become part of your routine. Let's add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Tell me if you've ever made chicken like this. I'll add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir again. And before I forget, tell me from which city you're watching us so I can send you a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Emily Johnson from Denver. I'm happy that you're enjoying our recipes. I'll cover it and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Using just a few ingredients that anyone has at home, we can make a meal much tastier than those sold in traditional restaurants. I'm sure you'll like it. Let's add 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of ketchup. I learned this recipe from the owner of a 5-star restaurant, and after I discovered this amazing trick, I could never eat chicken any other way again. You'll never need to use oil at home again. This super simple way of frying chicken is much healthier, easier, and makes less mess. Look how beautiful it's turning out. To give it a special touch, I'll sprinkle some parsley on top. The amount is up to you. Put as much as you want. Remember that this step is totally optional. I really wish I had learned this incredible secret before. That's why I'm here now showing you this step by step. If you don't believe what I'm telling you, make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'll love to know. The smell is amazing. The taste is even better. It became one of my favorites since the first time I tried it. It's already the biggest hit at my family gatherings, and I'm sure it will be a sensation in your home too. A great option for those days when you don't have much time to cook. The best part is that I'm sure you already have all the ingredients at home. You can serve it as a side dish with a bit of rice, or even as a main course. Teach it to that friend of yours who loves chicken. I'm sure they'll be really happy and might even send you a message to thank you. In less than 40 minutes, you have a complete meal for lunch or dinner. Feel free to customize this recipe however you like. I'll love to see your combinations.
Add cabbage to boiling water and you'll love the result. I'll start our recipe by placing 1 cabbage into boiling water. The cabbage is already well chopped, so let's stir a little and let it cook for about 3 minutes. After this time, I'll remove it from the heat and drain all the water. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special greeting. Today's greeting goes to Emily Bwalia from Zambia. I'm happy that you're enjoying our recipes. Now, I'll add cold water to stop the cabbage from cooking further. Tell me, how do you prepare cabbage at home? I'd love to know your recipe. In this pan, I have olive oil. And I'll add 1 chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, 1 chopped green bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well, letting everything sauté. Now I'll add the cabbage to the pan and mix it with the other ingredients. Guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Try it at home and come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now I'll transfer everything to a bowl . These ingredients go perfectly together and give a special flavor to the recipe. Then add 2 chopped tomatoes, parsley to taste, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and mix everything very well. This salad is complete, easy to make, and absolutely delicious.
This is the best chicken I've ever had. To start our recipe, take a large chicken breast and slice it in half, just like this. Once you have it all opened up, we're gonna slice again, just some small shallow cuts. This will just help integrate all of our seasoning. Now cover with some plastic wrap and taking a meat mallet, gently pound that meat just so it tenderizes it. When your chicken is nice and soft, let's start our seasonings. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour. Then coat that chicken in the flour. Make sure the entire piece of chicken is totally covered in flour. Just like this. In another bowl, add in 2 eggs, 3 chopped garlic cloves. We need 1 tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of black pepper, and let's add in some parsley to taste, along with 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. Stir and mix all those ingredients really well, and this is going to be our chicken seasoning. Next, take that chicken and coat it in the seasoned eggs we just prepared. Spread the seasonings evenly on both sides of that chicken. And now it is time to fry this. So I've got a hot pan. I've added some butter in here. It's all melted. Add the chicken and fry it over a medium heat. And when one side is fried, just flip it and repeat the process on the other side. Fry it for a few more minutes. Once that's fried on the other side, remove the chicken and just set it aside on a plate. In that exact same pan, add 150 mils of chicken or vegetable broth, along with 3 chopped garlic cloves, some parsley, and the juice of half a lemon. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of butter, and cook the broth, the seasonings, and the butter until we have a nice, delicious sauce. This chicken sauce is going to make our recipe so perfect. Next, take that chicken and add it to that sauce we just made. Cook for 5 minutes until that sauce thickens. Now, if you prefer, you can flip the chicken just so we get it covered on both sides. The more seasoning our chicken has, the tastier it's going to be. And there you have it. Our sauce is almost ready. Remove the chicken from the pan using a spatula. Serve it on a plate, and you can call your family to try it. Do not forget to pour the sauce on top. You can serve it with some rice. That would be so delicious, but let's give this a try. Well seasoned and super tender chicken. I hope you give this a try. Enjoy your meal.